We'll guide you through how to change your Dropbox password. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. You need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, find your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the page and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. On this page, you'll see a series of tabs at the top. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. Here, you'll find a section labeled Password. Click on the Change Password link next to it. A new window will pop up, asking you to enter your current password for security reasons. Type in your current password, then proceed to enter your new password. Make sure it's strong and unique, ideally combining letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've entered your new password twice, click on the Submit button to save your changes. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been updated. Remember to use your new password the next time you log into Dropbox. Changing your password regularly is a great way to keep your account secure. If you have any issues or have forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.